Hi guys, welcome to my channel here at Nene's Kitchen and Beyond. I'm Renee, and today I am going to be doing a pantry shelf test on something new that I found at my local Walmart. If any of you guys have tried this before and it's not new to you, let me know in the comments of what you thought about it. But in my Walmart, this is something new, and I grabbed it, and so this is what it is, guys. And it is pulled pork in barbecue sauce. Okay, and I was looking on the back of it, and the expiration date is May of 2024. So it actually has a pretty long shelf life for it. The thing is it worth getting more of and putting in the pantry? Okay, it doesn't have but 2.6 ounces, so you know how much food is actually in this little pouch here, and is it any good? So I'm going to open it up and we're going to try it out. I paid, I think it was like $1.12 for it. So, hey, is it worth my $1.12? Let's find out. Okay, so real easy to open. But this is lightweight enough, that you could put it in a backpack or, bug out. Or if you're one person, this would probably be just right for one person, I'm thinking. So, we're going to open it up. So I have it opened here. And smell it. Smells good. That's a good sign, right? So I'm going to move over here. And I don't know about you, but, like a barbecued pulled pork, I think should be heated. This is already cooked, so you're not going to have to heat it to eat it, necessarily. But I do believe it would be a lot tastier if it was heated up. So I have made just a little saucepan here, and that's how much you get. It's not a whole lot. Enough for probably one pulled pork sandwich. So I'm going to heat it up real quick. And then I have plenty of bun right here. This here is a sweet Hawaiian. So I chose to put it on that bun. It's not going to take very long to heat this little tiny amount up. They say, is it going to be worth your $1.12 to get one sandwich? Convenience-wise, hey, there's some good convenience there. All you have to do is open it up, and everything is right there, the sauce and all of it. So we're going to call that good on it being heated up. And I'm going to put it right here on the bun. Like that. Okay. Yeah, so I'm going to get me a little bit here on the spoon. Okay. And move it over here. Up like that. And hold on just a second, because my camera is coming off. Okay, I got the camera situated, and I have the pulled barbecued pork sandwich right here. And here we go. Okay. Wish me luck. I hope it's a good sandwich. I hope it's a good buy and I didn't waste my $1.12 like I did on the sausage. You guys remember the sausage? All that stuff was horrid. It was terrible. But this here does smell good. So here we go. Here are the vase. That is actually pretty darn good. So would I buy more of that? I believe I would. Just for the convenience of it. The long shelf life of it. Now, if you have a lot of people to feed, maybe this wouldn't be the way to go. But for the convenience of it, it's already pre-made. All you have to do is heat it. You could eat it cold if you wanted to. So yeah, you know, I think I would. I do think I would buy that again. So, anyway, there you have it. Taste test on the pulled pork barbecue in the pouch. So, guys, if you like the video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and share the video if you'd like. So until next time, guys, hope you all have a great one. Toodaloo and God bless. See you next time. Bye. Bye-bye.